everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can change the keyboard shortcut that you use to change languages on Windows 10. The default keyboard shortcut is the Alt plus left shift key, and it's pretty easy to execute by accident. So to change it, what you have to do is open the Settings app and then go to the Devices group of settings. Here you have to select the Typing tab and then scroll down to the More Keyboard Settings section. There's a link here called Advanced Keyboard Settings. Go ahead and click that. And here you're going to find another link called Language Bar Options. Click that and you get this window for Language Bar Options. Go to the Advanced Key Settings tab. And you're going to see a bunch of different actions added here. You have to select the Between Input Languages option and then click the Change Key Sequence button. You only have a bunch of presets that you can choose for switching the language, but they should do the trick because there's the grave accent option here that you can select, and that's not as easy to execute. So pick one of the options from the presets and then click OK. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.